Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. You're going to continue your work with prefixes this week. We have the prefixes X, we have non, we have in, and we have for. So let's talk about what some of these prefixes mean before we go ahead and read our words. So the prefix X normally means out or beyond. Our prefix non means not. Our prefix for means before or in front of. And then our prefix in actually has two meanings, one not and one meaning into. So those are a little bit more difficult, a little bit more involved. But if you continue to practice these words, and a lot of them you will already know the meaning of, but continue to practice these words and remember that the prefix comes before a base word. So identifying what that base word is and then thinking to yourself, well, what would that prefix mean? How does it change that base word? So let's go ahead and read the words for this week. We have exit, forecast, forearm, express, foresee, exclaim, insight, non-fat. Then we have nonsense, extend, nonfiction, forehead, exclude, indent, income, foremost. Then we have incomplete, incorrect, extra, indecent, foreshadow, nonstop, expand, and indoor. So to sort these words this week, to color sort them, is going to be easy again because it's easy to identify the prefix. So here we have, like the word exit has your EX, and then we have your base word it here. Then we have nonsense. We have your base word sense with your prefix non. Then we have incomplete, base word complete, prefix in. Then we have forecast. Cast is your base word with for as your prefix. So just color sorting them will be just fine. You won't have a problem with that, but you may want to reach out to a teacher to talk about some of the words that you may not be sure of. All right, kiddos, it's time to choose your colors for your headers, and happy sorting.